Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at a product that has become the go-to solution for full-body VR tracking. This is the best Rebuff Reality VR Power, the Rebuff Reality Trackstraps, designed specifically for the Vive Tracker 3.0, 2.0, Vive Ultimate Tracker, and even the Tundra Tracker. Let's start with what these Trackstraps actually are and why they matter. In full-body tracking for VR platforms like VRChat or DanceDash, precision and comfort are key. These Trackstraps serve as the bridge between your body and the trackers themselves, letting you move naturally and fluidly in the digital world. Whether you're dancing, role-playing, or immersing yourself in virtual adventures, these straps empower your VR experience by offering stability and freedom of motion. Out of the box, you'll immediately notice the robust build quality. The bundle includes 2 adjustable straps for your feet or legs and 1 for the waist, the standard 3-point FBT setup. Rebuff Reality has used high-grade, breathable elastic neoprene that feels secure without being restrictive. It's a careful balance between firmness and comfort, allowing extended sessions without chafing or discomfort. Another standout feature is the patent-pending anti-slip design. These straps don't shift or sag mid-session. Thanks to the strong Velcro and reinforced industrial stitching, your trackers stay locked in place no matter how intense your movements get. This kind of reliability is critical in VRChat dance battles or during those chaotic moments in VR games that track leg and hip motion. One of the most thoughtful aspects of this bundle is the compatibility. That versatility adds long-term value to your investment, especially if you're experimenting with different tracking setups or upgrading hardware. Rebuff Reality also includes a 3-month limited warranty. While that might not seem like much, it's a decent coverage window considering how durable these straps are. It shows the company stands behind their product, and for good reason. As for setup, it's refreshingly simple. Just slide in your tracker's mounting point, adjust the strap to your size, and you're done. It's a plug-and-play experience that doesn't require calibration changes or complicated software tweaks. Once fitted, you can jump straight into VRChat and your avatar's legs will track with uncanny accuracy. Do note, though, that the trackers themselves are sold separately. This bundle is just the track straps, not the actual motion tracking devices. So if you're starting from scratch, you'll need to pick up the trackers too. But if you already own them, this is the upgrade that takes your setup to the next level. If you're a VRChat enthusiast, a professional virtual dancer, or just someone who loves full-body immersion, the Rebuff Reality Trackstraps are a game-changer. They've earned a reputation for a reason. Small business quality, professional-grade design, and A1 functionality make this the most trusted name in the strap space. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to truly unlock the power of full-body tracking in VR, this is the gear to get. Stay tuned for more reviews, and let us know in the comments what VR accessories you want us to try next. Thanks for watching.